nervous ordering food in English? What if the waiter speaks too fast? What if something is wrong with your food and you don't know what to say? In this lesson, you will learn how to order confidently, speak naturally, and even complain politely in English.
Welcome to English Conversation Mastery. Today's real-life situation is at the restaurant. In this immersive listening practice, you will hear a natural conversation between a waiter and a customer. You will learn how to make a reservation, order food and drinks, ask for recommendations, handle a problem politely, ask for the bill, pay by card. This lesson is perfect for A2 to B1 learners who want to speak English with confidence in real situations. Listen carefully. Try to repeat after each sentence in the slow version, and imagine yourself inside the restaurant. Let's begin.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant.
Good evening. Thank you. Do you have a reservation? Yes, I do. The reservation is under the name Thompson.
Let me check, please. Yes, Mr. Thompson. A table for 2 at 7 p.m.
That's correct.
Perfect. Please follow me.
Thank you.
Here is your table. I hope you like it.
Yes, it's very nice.
Here are the menus.
Thank you very much.
Can I bring you something to drink?
Yes, I would like a glass of still water, please.
Of course. And for you?
I'll have a fresh orange juice.
Very good. I'll be right back with your drinks.
This place looks very elegant.
Thank you. We try to create a comfortable atmosphere for our guests.
It's perfect for a quiet dinner.
Here are your drinks.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order, or would you like a few more minutes?
I think we're ready.
What would you like to start with?
I would like the tomato soup as a starter.
Excellent choice. And for the main course?
I'll have the grilled salmon with rice and vegetables.
How would you like the salmon cooked?
Medium, please.
Perfect. Would you like anything else?
Yes, could I also have a side salad?
Certainly. Thank you. Your food will be ready shortly.
I'm really hungry.
The soup will arrive in just a few minutes.
Great.
Here is your tomato soup. Please be careful, it's hot.
Thank you for the warning.
Enjoy your starter.
The soup smells delicious.
I'm glad you like it. It's one of our most popular dishes. How is everything so far?
It's excellent. The soup is very tasty.
I'm happy to hear that. Here is your grilled salmon with rice and vegetables.
It looks amazing.
And here is your side salad.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your meal.
The salmon is perfectly cooked. That's wonderful.
Is there anything else I can bring you?
Yes, could I also have some extra lemon, please?
Of course, I'll bring it right away. Here's the lemon.
Thank you.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
The chocolate cake sounds delicious.
It is homemade and very popular.
I'll take the chocolate cake and a cappuccino.
Excellent choice. Here is your chocolate cake and cappuccino.
Thank you. It looks wonderful.
Enjoy.
This cake is amazing.
I'm glad you like it. Would you like anything else?
No, everything was perfect.
I'm very happy to hear that.
Could I have the bill, please?
Certainly, I'll bring it right away. Here is your bill.
Thank you. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Please insert your card into the machine.
Done.
Please enter your PIN.
Okay.
Payment approved.
Great.
Thank you very much for dining with us tonight.
Thank you for the excellent service.
We hope to see you again soon.
I will definitely come back.
Have a wonderful evening.
You too. Goodbye.